Hello, we at Jack C. Taylor Library at Fontbonne University are excited you want to use OverDrive. We've created this video to help get you started. OverDrive contains thousands of free audio and ebooks for your Kindle, tablet, or phone. You may access it on the web at mobius.overdrive.com or in the app, just download it from your app store. This video will walk through logging in and checking out a book. However, here are the main steps if you want to get started right away. Download the app, search for your library, select the Mobius Consortium, sign in with your Fontbonne ID number followed by the letter F, browse and search titles and make a selection. It's that easy. After downloading the app, you may create an OverDrive sign-in or use an existing account. This account is separate from your Fontbonne account. You may also bypass the OverDrive account by selecting Continue. Next, you will want to select Add a Library, and then you will search for Fontbonne University. Once you locate Fontbonne University, select the Mobius Consortium under Library Systems. At the Mobius main page, go to Sign In on the right side. Choose Fontbonne University from the drop-down list. Log in with your Fontbonne library number. This is your Fontbonne account number, followed by the letter F. Now that you are logged in, you can browse or search for an audiobook or an ebook. In this example, we will borrow the book entitled College Rules. Here you can see how many copies are available. If one is available, you will have a borrow selection. If there aren't any copies currently available, you will have the option to place a hold. Also notice you can add books to your wish list and therefore create a list of books to read at a later time. When you borrow a book, you will see the number of days for the borrowing period, which is usually 7 or 14. You may return the book early at any time, but as soon as the borrowing period is up, the book will automatically return. Next, choose to read the book with Kindle or download it to your device. After you select to download it, you will find it in your files, and then when the download is complete, it will be in your library. And then finally, the book is ready to read or to listen to if you selected an audiobook. Alright, that should get you started with using OverDrive, and we hope that you will find many titles to enjoy. Check back often as titles are added frequently. If you need additional help, reach out to us anytime. Give us a call, stop by, or send us an email at libraryhelp@fontbonne.edu.